Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this next tutorial, we are simplifying a surd expression. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to break down these numbers. We are going to break 8, we break 25. We're also going to break x to the power of 12, x to the power of 8, and x to the power of 8 using the laws of exponents. Now, let's begin with the cube root. 8 can be broken down into 2 to the power of 3, and x to the power of 12 can be broken down by this law of exponents that says a to the power m to the power n is equivalent to a mn. So we're going to use that on x to the power of 12. So we're going to have x to the power of 4 to the power of 3 is the same thing, because if I multiply 4 times 3, I'll get 12. We move on to the next term. We are going to break 25. That will give us 5 squared, and x to the power 4 to the power of 2. We are using this law again. Now, on the denominator, we're just going to use that law as well. We are going to have the root. By the way, there's a cube root on that. The root of x to the power 4 squared. And then we need to use yet another law of exponents that says a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m is the same thing as just saying ab to the power m. So we are going to use this law on these two terms on the numerator. So we are going to have the cube root of 2x to the power 4 to the power of 3. We add that to the cube root, the square root, that's a cube root of 5x to the power 4, and that is squared. Then we are dividing that by the root of x to the power 4 squared. Now, you know, when we have something like root a to the power of 3, the cube root of that is going to give you a. The same thing on that square root. So we are going to have 2x to the power 4 plus 5x to the power of 4. And that is being divided by, you see, the root of that is simply x to the power of 4. Now, the terms in the numerator are like, so we're just going to add them. And we're going to have 7x to the power 4. And that is being divided by x to the power 4. Now we arrive at our final answer, and the final answer is 7. We've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.